Good morning, students. Today's chapter is 19 Sources of History. What we will learn about meaning of history, difference between history and prehistory, sources of history, importance of history. In the course of time, many changes occur in our lifestyle and the society at large. But how do we get to know about those changes? Let us find out. What is history? History क्या है? History means इतिहास. The study of the past of our family or society at large is called history. The study of the past. Past के बारे में means जो निकल चुका. We can say भूतकाल. In our family or society or large is called history. इसे इतिहास कहते हैं. History tells us about the events that occurred a very long time ago. People who study the past to learn about what happened in earlier times, why it happened, and how it affected the lives of the people are called historians. जो लोग इसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, क्यों हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, एंड कब हुआ था, इसी को कहते हैं हिस्ट्रियंस. उन्हें हिस्ट्रियंस कहते हैं. Periods in history. In order to understand the past better, we divide the past into two periods, prehistory and history. दो भागों में इसको डिवाइड किया गया है, prehistory and history. Prehistory is the time when people did not know how to write. Prehistory है उस तब का समय है जब लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता था how to write, लिखते कैसे हैं. Thus we learn about this time only with the help of remains of this period, such as utensils, jewelry, tools and weapons. इनसे हमें पता लगता है कि how to write. History is the what is history now? Prehistory it means this ये जब का समय तब लोगों को ये नहीं पता था कैसे लिखते हैं. And what is history? History is the time in the past since the invention of writing. जब से राइटिंग का इन्वेंशन हुआ है, आविष्कार हुआ है, तब से उसका टाइम है, उसको हिस्ट्री कहते हैं. इट इज़ फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पीरियड्स, एंशियंट, मेडाइवल एंड मॉडर्न. ये था एंशियंट मीन्स प्राचीन काल, मेडाइवल मध्यकाल एंड मॉडर्न मीन्स आधुनिक काल. Sources of history. Anything that can help us know about the past can be termed as a source of history. Anything that can help us to know about the past. वो सारी वस्तुएं, चीज़ें जो भी है जिसके बारे में, जिनसे हमें पास्ट के बारे में पता लगता है, these are the sources of history. Historians use a variety of sources to know about the life of the people who lived in a place at a particular time in the past. पहले के लोग एक ही जगह पर कैसे रहते थे, कहाँ रहते थे, ये सब अटेंसिल्स या इन सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री से पता लगा है जब उन्होंने स्टडी किया. द फॉलोइंग आर the important sources of history like utensils, weapons, paintings, old books and papers, toys, clothes, coins, remains of buildings and places. These are the history sources. Thank you. Have a nice day.